All right, everybody, this is a guided walkthrough for the Minecraft challenge from the Hack the Web game. And the first thing we want to do is we want to read up on what is the description of the challenge. So I'm very surprised to find so many Minecraft fans among hackers, and even some tasks from the world of Minecraft. My mother gave me the game back then, and I was so happy to play it for the first time. But that was a long time ago, before all this space stuff started. I really miss that time. Okay, so your answer is the block ID, numeric with namespace of this block. Okay, so we got this block right here, and if we didn't know about Minecraft, we would have to do some research. So let's talk about what's going on here. Okay, so hack the web. This is the Minecraft challenge. In this challenge, we're told to identify an object from the Minecraft game. So we're given a picture with the object. And what we're doing here is we're going to be doing some OSINT, or open source intelligence. If we didn't know anything about Minecraft, we can use OSINT to research the answer. But what is OSINT? So OSINT stands for Open Source Intelligence and is the act of learning about a subject through publicly available information sources. So when we're talking about OSINT, we're just talking about doing some research that anybody can do. So we're talking about doing internet searches, we're talking about looking in the phone book, we're talking about all of the publicly known information. So for example, if we wanted to use OSINT to learn about this person right here, Elvis Presley, he's a really famous guy, we could search online, we could read books written about him, we could listen to his music. Any public source of information could be considered a valid source inside of OSINT. So what we can do here is we can do what is called a reverse image search. So in this case, we can use a reverse image search tool to identify what the name of this Minecraft block is. So what we would do is we would go to Google, google.com. We're going to be using the Google reverse image search tool. It doesn't necessarily need to be the Google reverse image search tool. It's just a very convenient one. So we can go over to the search by image, and we could select the link for the image. So the link for the image is over here. So we could do right click, we select copy image link, then we go back to Google and we paste in the link. After we do that, we can search. And we see the block inside the image. So it also highlights the block because it is getting like a context clue that this is the subject. Let's make this a little bit bigger. And this is basically what we want to search for. So from here, we can scroll down inside the search. And what does it say? So the item shown in the image is a bedrock block from the video game Minecraft. Okay, so I mean the AI is giving us some information here. So it's indestructible in survival mode, etc., etc. So we've got our answer. So this is the bedrock block. And what we need to do is we need to go back to the challenge and search for the block ID of this block. So if we know that this is called bedrock, we can go back and then we can just type in the search. What is the ID number of the Minecraft bedrock block? Okay. Okay. So what is the answer? So I mean, the AI is giving us a little answer here. It says, in the Minecraft Bedrock Edition, the numerical ID for the bedrock block is 7. It is primarily identified in-game commands by the string identifier, which is bedrock. So the numeric ID identifier is 7, so this is the answer for our challenge. So another thing we could do is we could just look down here. Ah, okay, Minecraft ID list. All right, we can search for bedrock over here. So we find the object in the page, and we see that it is associated with ID number 7. So this is our answer. Okay, so if we go back to the challenge here, so we search for the block ID number of the block name, so bedrock, and we find out that the answer is number 7. So we'll go back, we will plug in the number 7 as the answer, click on go, and 7 is correct. Okay. All right, everybody, this was a guided walkthrough for the Minecraft challenge from the Hack the Web platform. If you enjoyed this guided walkthrough, please click on the like and subscribe buttons on the video and leave a comment underneath the video. But until next time, HackerFrogs out.
Hey there, HackerFrogs! Are you enjoying this workshop? Learning new concepts and skills? If so, there's a way you can support the channel, and it's totally free. Just click on the subscribe button below the video. Also, click on the like button, and if you have questions or comments on this workshop, please leave them below the video. Thanks for listening. And now, back to our scheduled programming.